sometimes there's a need to extend your frame elements to a line or to another beam, for example. So you want this one to be extended and go and hit it over here. You want this one to come and connect to it over here, and you want this one to connect to it over here. And so the line is clear. It's the beam line, definition line. So all you need to do is just select these three sources, the three beams over there. Go to your edit menu, go to edit frame, and then under edit frame you'll see this option of extend frame to a plane by using 2 points. Now you have the 3-point option as well, so you can actually define the plane, but in this case the 2-point option is enough because we're working in the plan view. So we just select that, and we select the start and end points of this beam like that, and those three will be extended in such a way that the finite element is model is also connected. So you can see immediately these nodes appear over there. So it's a very quick and easy way to extend your elements onto, to extend them in such a way that they go and meet up with another beam or go and hit a particular line. This didn't necessarily have to be a beam. It could have been just a line, and in that case it would have, maybe it was a wall or something. And then you wanted to just extend these elements to the outer face of the wall or something. You could use the command in the same way. Very quick and easy way to extend 2D frame elements.